What's up, sisters? Carmen here. Today I would like to introduce you to a few new things. You met my little princess Maylee, and now you get to meet my sweet baby girl, Yuri. She is such a happy baby. Yuri has my heart overflowing with her juicy legs and big smile every day. She is super alert and super nosy. I love both of my girls so much. Being a mom of girls that are under the age of 2 is fun and it keeps me super busy. They are my new world and I want the best for them. That's why I use the Pampers Pure collection, and as a mom of the Pure tribe, I can tell you Pampers Pure diapers offer unbeatable skincare, dryness, and super cute prints. Pampers recently introduced their new site pamperspure.com, where you can subscribe and save on different bundles that are shipped directly to you. You can now even pick your favorite prints. All you have to do is go to the shop tab and select Pick Your Prints. Pick Your Print bundles let you choose up to 4 adorable prints from 8 designs that have been created in collaboration with Chrissy Teigen. Each bundle includes 4 packs of Pampers Pure diapers with your selected prints and 4 packs of Aqua Pure wipes. Click on the link in my description box below and you'll get $7 off every bundle when you subscribe for a limited time. I'm going to give you a closer look at the 8 new prints. You can select from the Happy Camper, the Milk and Cookies, Rough Life, which has the cute little bulldog on it, Avocado and Toast, yum, Tacos, even more yummier, Shapes, Sloth, look at him hanging on there, and Croissant and Jams. All of the prints are so cute. I love them all, but I do have my favorites. When I bundle, I think I'm going to choose the Happy Camper, the Croissant and Jam, Avocado and Toast, and the Tacos, because I like Taco Tuesday. Having girls, I'm always dressing them up and putting them in cute clothes. Diapers are no exception. Definitely, since Pampers Pure collection is created with plant-derived, thoughtfully selected materials. With this variety of prints, comment below your favorite 4 designs that you would include in your Pick Your Print bundle. Thank you for tuning in to me and my girls. Peace out, sisters.